Hey everyone, welcome back to our After Effects full course. This is the second part of the course. In this video, we're diving into the basics of VFX. With the help of VFX, I will show you how to make a music video like this. If you haven't watched the part 1 of this course, make sure to check it out for essential foundations, link in description. Let's dive in. Open After Effects. Double-click on the project panel and add media for your project. Drag and drop the background image into the composition option to create a composition for your video. Drag the thumbnail image to the timeline. Press S on the image and decrease its scale. Now press P and change its position. Press S on the background image and increase its scale. Navigate to the info panel and click on the option to align vertically. Now this looks good. It looks even more amazing if the background is blurred. To do this, navigate to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag this effect onto your background image. Navigate to Effects Control and increase the blurriness value. To make the edges of the thumbnail blur, navigate to Effects and search for Crop Edges. Drag this effect onto your thumbnail. Go to Effects Control and increase the feather value and crop amount. Adjust the position of your thumbnail. Right-click on the timeline and create a new solid. Go to Effects and search for Audio Spectrum. Drag this effect onto the solid layer. Now, double-click on the project panel and import an audio file. Drag and drop the audio onto the timeline. In Effects Control, change the audio layer to your music file. Now click on the Shape tool. Press and hold the Shift button to draw an accurate circle. In Effects Control, change the path to Mask 1. Here you can see the audio spectrum of your music, but you might see an empty space in the circle that is not showing the audio spectrum. To solve this problem, go to Effects Control and decrease the end frequency value, and increase the frequency bands value as needed. Change the color to what you want. Press M on the solid layer and increase the mask expansion value. In Effects Control, increase the hue interpolation value and change the end frequency value to 1100. To add a glow effect, navigate to Effects and search for Glow. Drag and drop this effect into the solid layer and increase the glow intensity in Effects Control. Let's see the results. Here, I want to tell you one more thing. You might have seen something similar before, where an audio waveform rises inside a text layer. So, how is this created? Since we are working with the audio spectrum, I thought it would be good to explain this to you. To make this, right-click on the timeline and create a new text layer. Adjust the position and size of the text and click on No Fill Color in the character panel. Press Ctrl+D on the text layer to duplicate it. Select the duplicated text layer and click on the fill color in the character panel. Now, press Ctrl+D on the solid layer to duplicate it. Change the path of the duplicate layer to none. Press P on the duplicate layer and adjust its position. Now press S and decrease its scale. Adjust its position again. If you don't see these options, click on the toggle switches /modes button. Select the duplicate solid layer, click on Track Matte, and select Alpha Matte Wave 2. You can see the audio spectrum in the text, but its height is too low. To make it look better, navigate to Effects Control and increase the maximum height value. I think the thumbnail size is small, so let's increase its scale. Select the first text layer and change its color. Navigate to Effects Control. Increase the audio spectrum height. Change the audio spectrum color. But if it doesn't look good, increase the hue interpolation value. Also, increase the hue interpolation value of the second solid layer. Now it looks great. Let's preview it. To import your video, navigate to File and click on Add to Render Queue in the Export menu. Click on Render Settings, change the quality to Best and resolution to Full, and click OK. Click on Output module, select the format to QuickTime, and click OK. Click on Output to select the path where you want to save your video. Now click on the Render button. It will take some time to render and export your video. I have given the practice file in the description, so go and download it from there. Our video is saved. Let's see it. That's all for today's introduction to VFX in After Effects. In the next video, we will talk about motion tracking and learn how to track text or objects in a video, so stay tuned for that. If you have not watched our previous video on After Effects, in which we introduced the basic interface of After Effects and learned how to make a simple car animation video, first go and watch it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos.